So our cat killed this bird, but I'm not gonna let it go to waste. And one of the alligator swamp turtles is luring right over here, right underneath this house there. Let's see if I can get this on video or not. Let's see here. Right over here. There he is, right there. See him. Whoa! Yeah, who grabbed it?